is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change Monzo delivery address. So if we visit the Monzo website, we can see a message or text here that says we can change the delivery address for your first card as we have to send it to the address that's registered on your account. So apparently, you can change the delivery address once you have already entered one when you first claimed your first card. And if we scroll down that if you think there's a typo or a mistake, you can easily just get in touch with them and let them know. But there's also a note here that says if you've already reached out, you're concerned about changing your address and received a notification that they're not unable to do so. So the only thing that you can do if you want a new delivery address, you can try to order a replacement card from the app just by following these steps. Just have to tap on the home button, then tap on card, need a new card for, then scroll down to replacement and tap order new card. So if you follow those instructions, a new card will be on your way. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!